Hey y'all, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be preparing some oxtail doing the braise method. So let's jump into that amazing video. I actually seasoned my meat from the night before and I never remember to record that, but I removed all the excess fat and seasoned that with some Maggi all-purpose and some Gaia all-purpose as well, and some easy spice meat seasoning and my green seasoning. So here I add a little oil to my pot and let that heat up, and then I'm going to add my oxtail one piece at a time, and I'll be braising each side 5 minutes for 20 minutes in total. So I'm just turning each side every 5 minutes for 20 minutes. Then I'll be adding about 2.5 cups of water, and do not use cold water, use hot water when you are doing this. So the braising method is actually when you slow cook your meat, but I went ahead and speed up the process by pressuring it. But you can slow cook it if you want, up to 2 to 3 hours, or until the meat is tender. So this is what my meat is looking like after I pressured it for the 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add some more water, and as I said before, use hot water. So in the meantime, I went ahead and cut up some onion, some garlic, some scallion, thyme, carrot, and Irish, and some pimento seed, and I'll be adding that and let it cook for 6 minutes. So this is the bean I'll be using. I'll be using butter bean. And now I'll be adding my butter beans and cook that for the remaining 3 minutes. So I went ahead and reduced the heat to low, and let that simmer. And guys, this is the finished product. Just look at that, thick and nice and tender oxtail. So this is the finished product. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget this video a thumbs up, subscribe, tell a friend, comment. Until next time, I'll see you guys in another video.